something most people haven't heard of. Lego Serious Play. Sounds fake, right? Back in the mid-90s, Lego was struggling, sales were down, and the company needed a new angle. So they teamed up with two business professors, Johann Roos and Bart Victor, and asked, what if Lego wasn't just for play? That's where Serious Play began, a method for thinking, problem-solving, and getting people to actually talk by building what they mean with Lego. Just hands-on ideas. Turns out, it's way easier to explain your thoughts with a weird little duck than sit through another PowerPoint. And yeah, it worked. By 2002, Lego made Serious Play an official product. You could buy a kit, take it into a meeting, and run a full workshop. Then in 2010, Lego open-sourced the whole method. No license, no restrictions. Anyone could use it. That's when it really took off. Teachers started using it. Therapists, startups, even research teams. It went from Lego in a meeting to why weren't we doing this before? It helped Lego rethink what play, creativity, and collaboration could really do for them and for everyone else using it. So who's actually using this? NASA, Google, the Red Cross, and even for disaster planning. It's shown up in tech teams, classrooms, hospitals, even therapy sessions. Here's how it works. You give someone a pile of Lego and ask a real question, like, what's your biggest challenge at work? Suddenly, they're building a dragon, a collapsing bridge, a treasure chest. Now the conversation's going somewhere. You just build what's in your head. One team built a castle with no door, another a broken bridge. And those simple models said more than most meetings ever could. The method's structured too. There's 4 steps: challenge, build, share, reflect. It helps people go from stuck to clear. And yes, there's real facilitator training. That's why it's trusted everywhere. The Lego Serious Play Starter Kit gives you 234 pieces. Perfect if you're running a solo session or just testing it out yourself. Inside, it's a weird and wonderful mix. You'll get minifig heads with odd faces, little ladders, wheels, flags, and even some Duplo bricks to help with scale and contrast. There's also a sorting tray, plus a warm-up guide called the Imaginopedia to help you get going. And it works without needing a team or a full workshop setup. The Window Exploration Backpack is a simple and economical way to introduce Lego Serious Play to a larger group. The kit includes 100 bags. These are ideal for shorter sessions, usually under 3 hours, and are often used in onboarding events, quick team warm-ups, or intro-level workshops. Each bag contains a small variety of standard Lego bricks, some unique pieces, and even mini figure parts to help spark visual storytelling. In total, it's 5,100 pieces across the pack. It's perfect for quick builds that get people thinking and sharing. There's no facilitator manual or instruction guide included, just the bricks. If you're new to Serious Play, it's a great low-risk entry point. And for experienced facilitators, it's a go-to kit for running fast-paced group exercises without the cost of the larger sets. Next up is the Identity and Landscape Kit. This is the one designed for longer, more structured group sessions, usually 3 to 5 hours. For teams of 10 to 12 people and used by organizations like NASA, the Red Cross, and universities when they need to work through complex systems, relationships, or big-picture strategies. Inside, you'll find 2,808 pieces. That includes base plates, Duplo bricks, fences, ladders, animals, trees, and all kinds of connectors. Lego actually recommends pairing this one with the starter kit for best results. And if you're running serious group sessions, this is usually the go-to set. And then there's the Connections Kit, the big one. It's got 2,455 pieces and is built for bigger topics: strategy, systems, team dynamics, the messy stuff. It's made for groups of 10 to 12 and usually runs over a full day or more. This one's all about relationships, how parts of a team or system connect, clash, or just don't line up. Inside you'll find ropes, bridges, gears, ladders, and spiral tubes, tools to build out workflows, conflicts, and feedback loops in real time. It's the go-to kit for fast-changing industries like healthcare, city planning, or nonprofits, where nothing's simple and everything overlaps. So what's this all cost? Starter kits go for around $37. The big one? About $485. Still cheaper than a boring off-site with stale muffins. But these kits aren't about impressing anyone. They're about getting ideas out of your head and into your hands. No slides, no scripts. Just building something that actually means something. That's what makes it serious play. So that's a wrap on Lego Serious Play. If this is something you're thinking about using in your company, or just curious how it might work for your team, I've dropped links in the description. You'll find the kits, more info, and everything you need to get started. If you enjoyed this, give it a like. Hit that subscribe button and stick around. There's more weird and wonderful Lego stuff. Have you tried Lego Serious Play before? Are you thinking about it? Drop a comment. And I'm always happy to answer questions. Till next time, I'm Lou. And remember, life's better with Lego.